What's up, guys? So it's been about 4 or 5 years maybe since I've posted my last vlog. We're gonna get to go wash my car for right now. I have the professional setup right here. Gonna go try to wash my car, see what we can do from there. Wash the car really quick. I'll be right back, guys. We made it to the car wash. I think I'm gonna go get changed. It's freaking cold. Kind of hard to do with one hand. That better be 10. It is cold. I'm gonna leave my car on just so I can stay warm, because I'm gonna try to go to my pay for this car wash and have as much shots as I can with a DSLR. I don't know how this is gonna go. So I got my camera just waiting for me there while I come pay for this thing. It says quarters only. I'm just dropping quarters every freaking where. Let's put pre-soak. I don't know what the hell. This is just wasting my money. Let's put high pressure pre-wash. Okay, I don't know about the camera. It's chilling there. So I'm gonna just put it right, probably just here. Get this thing going. Alright. So I'm baiting back home. Shut the freak up. Sorry. So it was pretty freaking cold, not gonna lie. And my fingers, my hands are freezing. So, yeah, it was pretty freaking cold, not gonna lie. So I've decided to just let the car dry on its own. Other than that, I got a little bit of footage. I'm gonna see if I can try to break it down for y'all right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. I was supposed to have a friend with me. I had some stuff going on, so he had to go take care of that. Yeah. I'm gonna get a little bit of extra clips right here at home. see what I can get. Other than that, it's your boy Angel. Peace.